Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. We've got a product that we're excited to show you today. I think you're going to like it. We were sent these by Xsense. It is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector, but it's also, when you install the 3 units, they're also connected. So if one goes off, they all go off, but the key one where the smoke is, it tells you the location, which is really good. So you're not searching around where it's at. It'll tell you exactly which detector has gone off. I'm going to show you how to program and install them. It's a snap. All right, so on the front of the unit, it's got a little test button and an attractive looking cover. And on the back, we're gonna have a battery. There's a little plastic tab in here. You just pull that out and close the hatch on that. And now the programming is this little black button right here. So we're gonna go ahead and push that.
Location not set. Press the location button again to select a location.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and select the location. It's gonna be hallway.
Press the location button for the next location. Quickly press the location button twice. Entryway.
Okay.
Basement. Living room. Dining room. Kitchen. Hallway. Kitchen. Hallway.
Okay, I'm gonna go hold that.
Hallway.
Okay.
Location saved.
So you notice when we were going through the programming, I tapped it twice. And what that'll do, that will actually back you up one location. To lock in the location you want, you press and hold the button until it verbally tells you that it's locked in. Okay, for installation, just a super simple thing. Gonna just remove the old detector itself and then just loosen the screws on the old one, on the old base. And then just remove that. We're going to bring in our new base. I don't know if that'll fit on there, so I'll probably have to take these screws out. Now, also in the package, though, it will send you new screws and anchors. So if you want it in a different place, you can put it wherever you want. Okay, once the base is on, we're going to go ahead and take the unit, find the tabs, and then just rotate it, and there you go. I'm going to go ahead and get a little smoke going, and we'll show you what it does when it tells you which location it's at. And this is the living room. Oh, Jesus,
Warning.
oh, there goes that one. All right, through all the chaos, I don't know if you heard, actually both of, because we don't have the third one up yet, and it would have been doing it too, and the dog was going nuts though. The smoke detector, this one was alerting you saying smoke detected in the living room. Well, the other one in the hallway did the same thing. It said smoke detected in the living room. So it will, through all 3 devices or how many you have, it'll tell you exactly where the smoke is located at, or the carbon monoxide, to alert you where it's at, which is an extremely cool function. So you're not wandering around looking for something. So, okay, so not to mention on the carbon monoxide, on this portion of that, that is a big safety concern. And we didn't realize until we started researching that wood stoves will also produce carbon monoxide in the air. We strictly burn wood for our heating in our home. So that actually, we're excited about that, to have that alarm take care of that as well, or any of them. So that's about it. It's a great alarm, super loud. I love the function of telling you where the problem is. That's a biggie for us. And also the CO, or the carbon monoxide detecting. The product is from Xsense. and it is a XP02-WR. That's what we'll have down the link down below. And I hope you liked the video. If you appreciate it, give us a thumbs up. And always, we thank you for watching DIY on the House.